Hello student, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the second module of the chapter, that is nationalism in India. In last class we will discuss about first module. Today we are going to discuss regarding the second module of this chapter. Second module की बात करें, so we were discussing regarding the why non-cooperation movement. After the Khilafat movement, Gandhiji decided to start a non-cooperation movement. In that we will discuss about the method of non-cooperation movement in towns and the effect of non-cooperation movement. Methods में बात करेंगे हम लोग. Then we will discuss about the movements in towns and we will discuss about the economic effect of the movement. This is a very important module because here in this chapter we are going to discuss regarding two different movements, very important one, non-cooperation and civil disobedience. 5 mark ka question is, in Calcutta session 1920, Gandhiji convinced the leader of INC to start the non-cooperation movement. See, every year in December, INC met at one place, and that is we call as a INC session. So Calcutta session, Gandhiji met with all the INC leader and they decided for the non-cooperation movement. Now question arises, why non-cooperation? When Gandhiji, he wrote his book, and his book name was Hind Swaraj, that was published in 1909, why Gandhiji believed that why Britishers were survived in India. The reason, Indian people supported them. If we will withdraw our support, the British empires cannot found in India or cannot rule over India. Everywhere we work for Britishers, we work for British school, we work for British army, we work for British industry. If we will not support, we will not work for the British, then British empire cannot rule for a long period of time. And that was a belief of Mahatma Gandhi. Non-cooperation, the word itself said we should not cooperate to the British government. And if Indians refuse to cooperate, the British empire will collapse within a year. That was the idea of Mahatma Gandhi behind of non-cooperation. And that is the reason non-cooperation movement was started. Methods of non-cooperation movement, three major methods or 3 mark का questions आता है. The first one, it should begin with the surrender of titles and which was given by government. You know, British government, they have given titles, awards and honor to the Indian people. So that titles that we have given, like Rabindranath Tagore, he got a title, that is Sarojini Naidu, she also got a title. So Indians, they started surrender the title which was offered by British government. Second method, that is Indian decided to boycott the British job, such as the British army, civil services, police, court, legislative council. Even the Indian students, they left the British school, British college. So everything was left. Wherever the Indians were working for the Britishers, they denied to work for the British government, industry, school, colleges. So in short, they left the British job. And third one, they they boycotted the British goods. They focus or they give importance to the Indian goods, or we call as a Swadeshi goods. Gandhiji believed if instead of the British goods, if we start using the Indian goods, then British industry will collapse. British will face the huge financial problem. Same happened. That is, British goods will be replaced by the domestic goods or Swadeshi goods. And focus कहाँ पे किया गया? Cottage industries. In short, we can say that Gandhiji specially give importance on khadi clothes. Instead of Manchester goods, mill clothes, Gandhiji gave importance to the khadi clothes, or every Indian should use maximum khadi clothes so it can support the Indian handicraft, Indian industry. This was the 3 different methods. First one, to surrender the titles, awards. Second one, to left the British job. And third one, to boycott the British goods. This way, Gandhiji got an idea for non-cooperation movement. But final approval took place in a Congress session which was held in Nagpur, December 1920. As I said, every year in December, INC met. But previously, INC met in Calcutta, but that was in September 1920. This time they met in December 1920 and Nagpur session. where Gandhiji decided to launch the non-cooperation movement. But non-cooperation movement was started from 1921. After the December, it is January, or here will also change 1921. So it was started in January 1921. But final approval took place in Nagpur. Here you can see in the photo, the Indian people, they were burning of British goods. As I said, they focus on Indian goods, Swadeshi goods. So they decided to burn out the huge British goods, like British clothes was burned into a huge bonfire. So like this way the non-cooperation movement was started. Next is the different stand within the movement. This movement that was found in towns also, and that were found in the countryside. So we will look at the how this movement was occurred in the town, the majority cities and towns of India, and later on we will discuss about the countryside. In countryside, that we will discuss regarding the three major important Assam, then we will going to discuss regarding the Gude mills, and we were going to discuss about Urd. But before that, let us discuss about the movement in town. The movement in the town, especially in the town, the middle class people, as I said, the method, that is middle class people, they left the government jobs, government schools, government offices, workers left the British industries, Indian farmers, Indian peasants, they left the British tea garden, coffee garden. So everywhere, Indian people, they rejected the British goods, British work, and even they surrendered the titles also. But council elections were also boycotted in the most of the provinces. Like provinces means the state. At that time, the India was having 11 provinces, and 19 provinces. So in all 19 provinces, the Indian people, they rejected the council election. But only in the Madras provinces, the Justice Party that was formed by Indian only, the party of non-Brahmins, they felt by entering into the council, that was one of the way to get a power in British government. So they did not become a member of, or they did not participate in the non-cooperation movement. Which party? The Justice Party of non-Brahmins in Madras Presidency. Only that party, they did not provide the support to the non-cooperation movement. Rest of other, everywhere in all towns of India, people practiced the same. They boycotted the foreign goods, they boycotted the British jobs, they surrendered the titles, and this movement was spread everywhere in India. Now, let us see the effect of movement in the towns, economic effect. The foreign clothes were boycotted. As I said, the British goods were boycotted, and people focused on Indian clothes, Indian goods. Second, liquid shops were picked out. Okay, all liquid shops were picked out during this movement. Foreign clothes was burned is a huge bonfire. Earlier we have seen the photo that foreign clothes that was burned out in a huge bonfire. The impact of import of clothes was half between 1920 to 1921, and due to that reason, the Britishers' revenue that was decreased from 102 crore to 57 crore, directly half हो गया British का revenue. And as the British clothes was banned, British goods were banned, that support to the production of Indian textile mills and Indian handlooms went up. So that was a good sign that we have seen due to the non-cooperation movement. British industries collapse होने लगे, British plantation destroy होने लगा, British production sell out नहीं हो रहे थे. Still that was a good sign from the Indian, but still this movement was started slowing down in the cities. The movement was failed in the cities. The reason that Gandhiji focused on khadi clothes, and we know khadi clothes that was very expensive. It was made by hand, artisans, and that was the reason it was very expensive. And at that time, maximum people of India that was not that much of it. They were very poor. So for them to afford the khadi clothes, it was very expensive. Second baat kare, so Gandhiji said to left the British job, and every Indian left the British job. But question arises, what is about other job? Okay, movement was started in 1921. It was ended in 1922. January से February तक चला. 1921 January up to February 1922, almost 13 months. And 13 months people were sitting without any work. And it was very difficult for them to have their or to utilize their life or to use to buy the basic means of life. At same point of time, Gandhiji said to use the khadi clothes. How it possible? And this